for others. They're only trying to give reservation for Muslims in contract works, reservation in land for Muslims, KID. How do you see this?
If it is a bogus budget, then why are they participating? If there was a bogus budget, then the BJP should not have participated, just walked out. Why they are participating? Why they are hearing? Why they are reading the budget? It's all nonsense. No budget is bogus. Number two, as far as minorities are concerned, this has been an attack of the BJP from central or state level since the BJP was born. There is nothing new in it. Nothing special has been given to minorities. Yes, backward classes are there, minorities are there, SC, STs are there, deprived classes are there. So to pull them up socially, economically, educationally, government has to do some programs. It is the responsibility of the government. More than moral, the legal responsibility is there. So what that is being done? Nothing more than that has been done. It's all mischievous, and I condemn their thinking itself.